In this video, I'm going to share the real deal on how to avoid labor cost overruns when you're tackling a big home project, so you don't end up blowing way more cash than you planned. Trust me, this is stuff you want to know before you start swinging hammers or signing any contracts. Alright, first things first, always get detailed quotes from your contractors that break down not just the total price, but also the estimated time each part of the job will take. Like, don't just settle for a ballpark figure, make them spell it out so you have a clear timeline and budget. Next, spend some time checking out reviews and asking around to find reputable contractors who actually stick to their schedules, because delays equal more labor costs, no doubt. When the project kicks off, keep a close eye on progress. You don't want to be surprised by extra days or hidden work popping up. Another thing is to clearly communicate your expectations and any changes right away, since last-minute shifts can seriously jack up costs. If you can, try to schedule work during regular hours and avoid rush jobs, because overtime rates can be killer. Also, consider breaking the project into smaller phases so you can keep tabs on spending and progress better. And don't forget to set aside a contingency fund, like 10% of your budget, to cover any unexpected labor expenses that might come up. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not getting a solid contract with clear labor cost and time estimates, which leads to surprise charges later on. Another common issue is hiring contractors without checking reviews or references, which can cause delays and messy work that drags on way longer than it should. Lastly, folks often fail to stay involved during the project, letting things slide until they get hit with a massive final bill. Keeping communication open and checking in regularly can fix that fast. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who've been vetted for quality and reliability. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with projects that fit their skills and schedule, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.